Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Canadian Money Talk. I have a question here about management fees for the Wealthsimple Private Equity Fund. So that is a fund or an ETF of 800 plus private equity investments professionally managed for you. So it is very vanilla, but there are fees and they all come out of your pocket indirectly. The management company, LGT, gets a 1.5% flat fee of the assets under management, plus another 12.5% of any profits over 8% per year. Now, each of the individual investments have fees as well internally, and only the remainder of the profits even goes to Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple must get a quote standard Wealthsimple advisory fee as well, which I didn't see any percentage though. There is a minimum investment of $10,000 required to invest in Wealthsimple's private equity fund. You must also have at least $50,000 in liquid assets with or outside of Wealthsimple to qualify. Redemptions are funny. Redemptions from Wealthsimple's funds are actually similar to regular private equity investments, illiquid. So they expect cash redemptions of up to 5% of the fund's value to be available to clients each quarter, and you have to submit requests at least 100 days prior to the end of the quarter. And the redemptions may be suspended in certain circumstances and may vary depending on the liquidity of the fund's portfolio. So just like private equity, this fund of private equity is not liquid. Going back to the fees, don't worry. Everybody else gets paid first and then you take all the risk. But you don't have to read a 130-page offering memorandum document about each individual investment. The professional manager does that for you. Private equity is seen as the riskiest of all investments. I invest in individual ones and I've had two of them go to zero, and others are way late in the timeframes that they promised during the sales meetings. With the 800 plus investments that Wealthsimple has, you're diversified, so you won't feel a few of them going to zero. So it's a little bit better. Just be aware that there is volatility and risk and chance that you will lose money certain months, even with these diversified products.